Jai Hind everyone. We are going to start today's class that is practical number 6. What is aim of practical number 6 is to design electronic circuit to run DC motor with a fan using push button switch. Okay. So in this practical we discussed about what is the concept of switch and what is the push button switch. So first you know about what is switch. We have already discussed about switch combination or switch structure. This is the open switch and this is the closed switch. In this condition our device will work our device will not work, and in this condition this is the closed switch, so our device will work because the electric current is not flow through this circuit and the electric current will flow through this circuit. Okay, because here because the it is called open circuit because here gap between wires, and in this circuit this is called closed circuit because it do not have any cuts in the wire. Okay, so this is the concept of switch. But in this circuit we use push button switch. Okay, so what is push button switch? Push button switch also the same effect or same arrangement like a simple switch. uh, this is switch in on condition and this is switch in off condition. Okay, how the push button switch work? Listen carefully. Push button switch is in off condition when we not disturb the switch. Okay, or we not press the switch, then the push button switch is in off condition, and when we press this switch, then switch is in on condition till we hold the switch. Listen carefully. Switch push button switch is in on condition till we hold the switch. Okay, so this is the concept of push button switch. uh, so move forward. This is the components or material which we use in this circuit. One DC motor with fan, one battery, one breadboard, one jumper wire, and push button switch. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. This is the 9-volt battery, the positive and negative terminal. This is switch. Okay, switch. In this figure the switch is in off condition. Okay, and this is symbol of DC motor. Okay, so first the positive terminal of battery is connected to one terminal of switch, second terminal of switch is connected to one terminal of DC motor, and second terminal of DC motor is connected to negative terminal of battery. Okay, so this is our arrangement. So this is our arrangement of electronic circuit. Let's design the circuit on breadboard with help of procedure. How it is connected? So first procedure is to connect the push button switch to breadboard. Take your push button switch and connect your push button switch to breadboard like this. Okay, what is our next procedure is to connect one terminal of push button switch to positive terminal of battery. Take your battery positive terminal and connect this one terminal to push button switch one terminal. Okay, that is in same row. Clear? What is our next procedure is to connect one terminal of DC motor to second terminal of push button switch. Take your DC motor, connects its one terminal like this, connects its one terminal to second end of DC motor, that is in same row of second terminal of push button switch. Okay, so the second terminal of push button switch and one terminal of DC motor are connected together. Okay, move towards forward, that is connect the negative terminal of battery to second terminal of DC motor. Okay, so this is the arrangement. Take your battery negative terminal and take your second end of DC motor and connect the second terminal of DC motor and battery together, that is in same row. Okay, and our circuit is complete. Now we move forward, that your circuit is now complete, and when we press the push button switch, then motor will start rotating. Okay, so this is the concept. Cause in this circuit we use push button switch. Push button switch is in on condition till we hold the switch, and we left the switch, then switch is in off condition. Okay, so this is arrangement. Pause the video and read it carefully and make your circuit or design your circuit. This is the result. DC motor will start rotate till we hold the switch. Okay, this is already discussed. What is the learning outcome of this practical? To design a DC motor with fan using push button switch, and the second concept is to driving load. Okay, and I want to add extra learning outcome in this circuit, to save electricity. How? Because this circuit work till we hold the switch, and if we left the switch, then it will not work. Okay, so in this combination we also save our electricity in our homes or any other places. Okay, so this is our total practical of this, or we come to an end of this practical. Okay, every students have their manual, so read it carefully and may design your own circuit if you have kit. Okay, thank you.